Hello and welcome to my life. In today's video, you may have noticed a few changes, and you know, for the first time, my channel is streaming both portraits and landscape at the same time. This is coming from after reflection on my videos quality, consistency, and the amount of viewership I have been receiving. Now, a lot of my viewers are mobile viewers, meaning that they would be seeing my videos from, um, the mobile side of things, which supports more portrait as opposed to landscape. Although this time I'm just doing both, because why not? By the end of this stream, I will be reviewing the results and get back to my own drawing board. As you may have noticed, I have a few things. You have my reference on your view. It's not on my view yet, but this is uh, the blocked out reference, which is me just coloring a few sections or blocks that I'll be working on as you know the video progresses. Several videos in the past featured different approaches where I had to start all over again several times. There are reasons for that, but if you'd love to support me financially, please do so with the link in the description for the live. Also, I will do my best to adapt and improve my approach till two things happen at the very least. One is I am able to consistently deliver quality videos, or should I say, even useful videos. And then, number two, I am able to, reflect and then output a structured branching videos in future, meaning that the next video has something useful, if you're coming from the previous video, but all of that requires step by step approach. So there's another thing I need you guys to do. Please like the stream, share and subscribe. I need your support at the moment. I also need your interaction, because the more you say, the more I am able to actually deliver and account for. Hello guys, how are you doing? And welcome to my live once again. In this video I'll be okay, so in this video I'll be sculpting the image in the reference, and I'll take you guys through my process from blocking it out, simplification, and other workflows like seeing silhouettes or viewing silhouettes in Nomad Sculpt, and then detail layering. Now, for disclaimers, at the moment I am using the free version of Nomad Sculpt on PC, but this is pretty much the same thing that you see on your mobile, but I am unable to stream from my phone at the moment, which has the paid version, but it is what it is and I have to adapt. Alright, so I'll start and let's dive into it. Okay, let's open a new let's open a new scene. Keep the background and the mocap. Okay, I don't know why I did that, but I can just bring it back again. Please, can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, just say hi in the comment section. Okay. So another thing is that I have done this a few times. If you go to my channel, you will notice I have done this a few times, and this is like the third time I'm starting all over again. But this is the only difference is that now I am doing both portrait and landscape views so that you know the mobile users are able to join in. And the reason that was even important is that a lot of my viewers, right, are from a lot of my viewers are from mobile, which means that if I am serious about delivery and you know serving my major viewers, I'm going to have to take the mobile view seriously. So in case I stop talking, it's not inactivity, it's just quite tricky to maintain or to talk and sculpt at the same time, but I do try to catch up with that. So I'm going to say again, please endeavor to use the comment section. Let me know your views, your opinions, what you think, and I'll try my best to attend to them as much as possible. And of course, I do need your 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 views and interactions at the moment, because YouTube definitely needs to account for that before sharing my videos to more people, and the more people I can attend to, the more views I get in return. Anyway, that's a given. So what I'm currently doing is to block out the basic shape of the this is a cyborg. So one of the things I'm gonna do is to block out the basic shape, not caring too much about fine details and all of that. So this is the back of the head, which is this section here, right? So in my next live, I'm going to take you guys through the process um of blocking out this section, this part of the head and all of that. So depending on whatever I choose to do, I'm just going to carry you along, because this is also a major part of sculpting for me. That's my own workflow, by the way. So yes, enough talk. Let's go into detail. So I'm gonna quickly set up my um silhouette view. Go here and click this. right? So Nomad Sculpt has a white texture, and I just take advantage of that. And another thing is the pixel art post processing, right? So what this allows me to do is to simulate squinting without actually squinting my eyes, if that makes sense. So, um, just gonna dive in. Alright, guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to see and hear what you guys think. Thank you so much for the likes, and I just want to check the other view. So we have three views. Okay, fair enough. It looks like, honestly, it's looking like I'll just keep streaming portraits alone. Okay, so one thing that stands out for me at the moment, just from looking at this, is this this circle at the back here, and this part of the head, right? And then this forehead, which is this part here. So I'm going to have to add another circle, sorry, sphere. I'm going to add another sphere to this. Add, so move it to place. Welcome, guys. How are you doing, and where are you watching from? Please use the comment section to let me know your opinions, your views, counters. Yeah. But at the moment, I'm just gonna focus on this, place down the basics, and I can attend to the comment section. And guys, please do interact with the live. Please like, share, or even just comment and subscribe so you can see more of my videos. So now the next thing is to go off the pixel art, right? Then another part of my workflow is to use a, okay, let me try this. Let me try this instead. Yeah. So is to use ambient occlusion, right? Because while it is in silhouette view, while I've set up my silhouette view, it's quite difficult to see what is going on sometimes, right? So this the ambient occlusion actually allows me to um, get a kind of 3D view of what's going on, because the silhouette is a 2D compression of the information. So, like I said, this section in front is what I'm currently working on now, and which is this one, right? Which is this area in red. So just gonna move it in place and then validate. Let's track that. Okay, so you click S, right? If you're using desktop, you click S to view only the current, right? Let's return that, and you click H to hide the currently selected object and show everything else. Let's get back to currently. Right. Then the next would be to work on the jaw. Flatten the lower part and then drag it. So the idea is not even to get everything now, but eventually you're going to need to start placing um, more accurate details. So what I'm looking for now is what should I say, landmark features, right? That help me understand, what I'm really doing. So I suspect I have been doing from the front view too much. Let me correct the orthographic to perspective, and then yeah. Okay, so when we're in orthographic views, I might have to come to do this, like change the camera views a few times. But from the front, it's not looking the way it should. So I'll get it off the, what's it called? Take it off orthographic and adjust this here. So when I'm sculpting, I write things down that I need to do, right? And then just do it. But I'm what? I don't know why that happened. Okay. Hopefully this fixes it. This is bad.